Welcome to Eyezy App tutorial. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to use Eyezy App the right way. But first of all, if you want to get an access with Eyezy App, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can able to use Eyezy App. When you click that link down below in the description of this YouTube video, you will get an automatically a discount, guys. Now, so as you can see that I'm inside the dashboard of Eyezy App. You can able to monitor the most messaging contacts. As you can see that you can able to monitor how many times they call the person. You can able to monitor the most calling contacts. As you can see that for Florence, there's been 5 times. You can able to monitor the most visited website. For this one is Wikipedia has been visited for 7 times, and also for the music for everyone has been visited for 5 times. There's so many things that you can able to monitor using Eyezy App. I'm just showing you what you can do here using Eyezy App. You can able to monitor the latest locations using Eyezy App. As you can see, it's so easy. Even a beginner can do it, guys. So some of the features that guys I'm sure that you're gonna use, these are the social spotlight, such as I'm sure you want to monitor all of these text messages, emails, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and the list goes on. Then when you want to monitor for the text messages, all you have to do, you have to go to the text messages. You will see all of the conversations that have been made, like what time, and to whom, to who, all of those things. You can able to monitor the text messages using Eyezy. You can able to monitor the emails. As you can see that if me say that you didn't get your children, they didn't get emails from the school, you can able to monitor them here using Eyezy. You can able to monitor WhatsApp messages. If let's say that those children, they have to communicate with other kids, by homeworks, you can able to monitor at what time now your kids, they are still communicating with other kids, or to whom. You can able to monitor all of those things using Eyezy App. What else you can do? You can able to monitor the calls, like the durations of the calls, like how many minutes, hours, or they spend talking to that person on a phone call. You can able to monitor using Eyezy, guys. Okay, take a look at this one. You can able to see this call has been lasted until 15 minutes, 4 minutes, 2 seconds, 1 hour, 28 minutes. You can able to monitor all of those things, guys, using Eyezy. You can able to monitor some events. If your children they supposed to meet with other children, or they supposed to go to a class or to wake up a specific time, you can monitor them here. You can able to monitor their birthday to see whether they attend their birthdays friends or not. All of those things you can able to monitor using Eyezy. You can able to block some inappropriate website that you don't want them to access. You can just put the URL there, all of those websites that you don't want them to access, such as this one, Facebook. They're not gonna use them, and such as Netflix, because some kids, they said, no ma, I have to know that I want to go to my room and do homeworks, and then you find out those kids, they're busy watching Netflix, or if they are on Facebook, they are not doing their homework. So you can able to monitor that using Eyezy. It is so easy. If you're a parent, you can able to use Eyezy, guys. Okay, so when you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, it's gonna take you to this page. This is whereby that you can able to get started using Eyezy. There are so many features here. You can go through all of this page. You can just click here to the demo and see how Eyezy can do for you guys. Okay, and also you can just click here to try it now, so that you can able to try Eyezy. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and may God bless you. Good luck, sharp, guys.